Get up. Get your shoes on. I'm ready. Here, you can take these off now. Alright, you can do the rest. Here, take this. This will be a very difficult challenge. You need all the help you can get. Hide it.
Okay.
Wait. Lock. Wait.
The game will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Go. Oh, there they are.
Wait! Save your bullets. I have a plan.
Okay. You okay?
Oh, I can't move my right arm. Ow. Oh, we need to find shelter.
Let's go. Come on, pick up your gun.
Oh,
Still can't believe contestant 1 died.
I know. He was actually good with a gun.
The careers are tracking us. We need to find a safer place to sleep. Let's go.
Dude, get up! Come on!
What?
Careers!
What?
Come on, they're gonna catch us!
I know! Good thing we got that good sponsor.
The first aid kit really helps.
Yeah, I like the weapons. We have a good sponsor.
I'm gonna go check on the base.
All right.
Did you hear that?
What's that? Let's
I
go
don't know.
check it out.
Come on.
Did you get him?
No, I missed. The other one took off.
Let's move on then.
Probably went to his base.
Hey! Hey! I found his hiding place! Somebody has been here! Ah!
Sorry, Alistair.
Please, call me Alice.
We need to find clean water fast. The other contestants will catch up to us, and when they do, we won't be in any state to fight them.
What do we do next?
It's getting colder. I don't know what to do. You hear something?
Yeah, I actually did.
I'm gonna go check it out. Okay. What is it? It's contestant 6. He's walking around down there and he's been gunned.
How do you know these things?
I read the pamphlets.
He's mine! Dude, get up.
What happened? I killed him.
Water! Oh, good. Oh, thank God. It smells terrible. I need a bath. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. It's freezing. That was nice. Okay. Hey, what's that? They're grave markers for all the contestants. What was that? You just got ahead. I'll stay here. Here, take this. I remember you. Who is it? It's contestant 4. He teamed up with After. What? Oh, kill him. Just go.